Hello guys, this is Crypto Airdropper. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys a live withdrawal from Tron.ac cloud mining site. So Tron.ac is a new cloud mining site which is similar to Mining's Live. For those of you that have been following up on my updates on my YouTube channel, I've made several videos about Mining's.live, where I showed you guys several ways you can earn free Tron from the site, from mining and from promoting the site. So this is also a similar website to that, because unfortunately mining.live stopped paying, that withdrawal stopped. So this is a new site similar to that, and I will advise you guys make the most of it while it still pays. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get into the video. So this is what the site looks like. Okay, as you can see, I already have a total balance of over 20,000 TRX on my account. So like I mentioned already, I'll be showing you guys a lot of withdrawal and payment proof from this site. And for those of you that are hearing about the site for the first time, I'll also show you guys how you can get started and start earning from the site. Okay, it's very easy. But before we get into that, this is Crypto Airdropper. This is my YouTube channel, and I make videos about cryptocurrency. So if this is the first time you're coming across my channel, or this is the first time you're watching any of my videos and you're not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon beside it to turn on notifications, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. YouTube will notify you guys immediately. Okay, and like I mentioned in a video I made a day ago, I told you guys that I will be doing a giveaway yesterday, but unfortunately I forgot. So the giveaway will be in this video. I'll be giving out $20 worth of TRX to two lucky subscribers, that's two lucky members. Okay, so make sure you stick to the end of this video so that I'll be able to know how you can claim the giveaway, or how you can be the lucky one of the two lucky people that will get the giveaway. Okay, so make sure you subscribe, you like this video, and share it with your friends and family. Okay, so let's get into it. So Tron.ac is an online cloud mining website where you can mine TRX and you claim it daily. Okay, and you also can withdraw from the site daily. Okay, so there's basically two wallets on the site. You have the basic wallet, okay, where you receive your mined TRX, your sign up bonuses, and much more. And you have the promotion account, that's the promotion wallet, where you receive TRX from deposits made by people you refer to the site, that's people on your team. Okay, so first thing first, after you sign up and you register with the link in the description of this video, that is to register, I'll be dropping a link in the description of this video which you can access to register on the site. So after you register, to activate the daily mining session of the site, because there's two ways you can earn from the site. One is from the mining session, and second is from referring or promoting the site. So the first method is from mining, and to activate the mining you need to make a deposit on the app. Okay, as you can see, I already made a deposit of 100 trons before. Okay, and I'll still be making a deposit right now for those of you that have not seen my previous video about this site. So to make a deposit, very easy. All you have to do is you click on where it says deposit. Once you click on deposit, you copy this wallet address. Okay, you copy it, then you go to any of your wallets that has Tron on it, and you send the amount you want to deposit. Okay, so let's say for the purpose of this video, I'll be sending 200 Trons to the site. Okay, so this is 200. Okay, so I'll confirm the transaction. All you have to just do is you wait for it to complete. That's for the transaction to be processed successfully. So it's okay, so transaction is completed. You can now go back to the site. Once you're back on the site, you click on recharge completed. Okay, so once you do that, you just need to wait about 5 to 10 minutes, or mostly it takes less, before it reflects on your account. Okay, and make sure you only send TRX to this site. Okay, so once the deposit is confirmed, it will reflect here on your TRX deposit quantity. Okay, so let's just be patient, guys, while they process the deposit. Okay, so let me just pause the video here. Okay, and well, okay, so there's no need for that. As you can see, the deposit just reflected on my account right now. As you can see, now I have a total TRX deposit of 300 TRX. So that's how you deposit on the site. Pretty easy, right? Yeah, I know, guys. So after you've made the deposit, the mining session starts automatically. All you have to do is you come back every 24 hours and claim your mine profits. So to do that, you come to where it says trading. Okay, once you click on trading, you'll be able to now claim your daily profit every 24 hours. You can see you get 6% from the cloud mining. That's your 6% of your total balance on the app from the cloud mining every 24 hours. To receive it, just do is you click on receive, and it will be added to your total balance. As you can see, it's added to my total balance. Okay, so that's the first way you can earn free TRX from this site. So the second method is by referring friends to the site. Okay, so basically how that works is once you refer people to the site, so once you refer and they use your link to register, okay, once they register, that you earn free TRX. That's how this works. Is there are 3 referral levels, okay, on this app. So we have level 1, level 2, level 3. So once you refer, that level 1 is the person that uses your link directly. Level 2 is the person referred by level 1 to the site, while level 3 is the person that is referred by level 2 to the site, and you all earn from them. Okay, so you earn from your level 1. Once the person registers, you get 30 TRX added to your basic account. Your level 2 earns you 20 TRX, and your level 3 earns you 30 TRX. Okay, which all goes to your basic account. That's your first wallet. Okay, that's basically where you receive the mine profits and your sign up bonuses, and I'll be telling you why it's different from the promotion account while I come to withdrawal. Okay, so that's that. And now the second way you earn by referring members is from deposit rewards. Okay, so whenever any of your referee, that's anybody you refer to the site, makes a deposit, you get 10% of their total deposit, which is added to your promotion account. Okay, which is added to your promotion account. That is all deposits, that deposit rewards go to your promotion account. So that's basically the second way you earn from this site. Okay, so how do you get your link and how do you share it with your friends and family? So you go to where it is share to get your referral link. All you have to do is you copy it. Okay, just copy the link, then you can now share it to your friends on WhatsApp, your friends on Facebook, Telegram, Instagram, Twitter, your social media platforms. All you have to do is just copy this by clicking here, click on copy. Okay, and you just go to your apps, your WhatsApp, Facebook, whichever. You just send it with share with your friends and family, tell them about the site. Okay, and you can even share this video with them, okay, so that they'll see how the site works, so that they can also get into it and start earning from it. Okay, so I'll advise, if you want to make the best of this site, you actually promote the site, okay, with your friends and family. Okay, because it's actually a good site while it lasts. Okay, it's the easiest way for you guys to make the most of the site while it lasts. Okay, because we don't know when it might just end up like mining's life, but in the meantime it still pays, and that's what matters. Okay, all you need to do is just sign up now and you start making the best of it. Okay, and what we've all been waiting for, that's the withdrawal. Okay, the withdrawal section of the app. So to withdraw is very easy. Like when you want to make a deposit, just go to withdrawal. Okay, so once you're on withdrawal, you can now withdraw from here. So you can either withdraw from your basic account or you can withdraw from your promotion account. Depends on your choice. Okay, so the difference between your basic account and promotion account is, on your basic account there's a withdrawal limit, a daily withdrawal limit, and the daily withdrawal limit is 2.5% of your total TRX deposit. Okay, like in my case, I already have a deposit of 300 trons, okay, on my account. So which means 2.5% of 300 trons is about 7.5. So that's why I can only withdraw 7.5 daily from my basic wallet. While for the case of promotion account, you can withdraw everything. Okay, daily withdrawal limit is unlimited. You can withdraw everything from your promotion account, and that's what we'll be doing right now. So to withdraw, before I'll be withdrawing to this wallet address, okay, but before I do that, let's check out how much I have. As you can see, I currently have 2,315 TRX on my wallet. Okay, so I will be withdrawing everything from my promotion account there. Okay, so let's just put in, I'll be withdrawing 540 TRX. Okay, just once you put that in, you put in your security password. So you'll be asked to set up your security password when you want to register. Make sure you set up using something you won't forget. Okay, so once you put that in, all you have to do is you click on confirm. Okay, and as you can see, withdrawal successful, and you're supposed to receive it on your wallet almost immediately after placing a withdrawal. It's very fast. As you can see, I just received 5. As you can see, I received 540 TRX from the site immediately after I made the withdrawal. Okay, so this is proof enough. Okay, I'll be withdrawing to this wallet address. Okay, but before I do that, let's check out how much I have. As you can see, I currently have 2,315 TRX on my wallet. Okay, so I will be withdrawing everything from my promotion account there. Okay, so let's just put in, I'll be withdrawing 540 TRX. Okay, just once you put that in, you put in your security password. So you'll be asked to set up your security password when you want to register. Make sure you set up using something you won't forget. Okay, so once you put that in, all you have to do is you click on confirm. Okay, and as you can see, withdrawal successful, and you're supposed to receive it on your wallet almost immediately after placing a withdrawal. It's very fast. As you can see, I just received 540 TRX on my account. So this is proof that the site still pays. Okay, the site still pays. Okay, it's very easy, very easy. Okay, so and you can only withdraw once from the site. Okay, daily, every 24 hours you can only withdraw once. So if you withdraw from a promotion account, you can withdraw from again till after 24 hours. So I think that's all I have for you guys about the site. Okay, now before the video comes to an end, the giveaway I talked about. Okay, so the giveaway is for 2 people, and how to join that is you make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel, Crypto Eyedropper. You're part of my Telegram channel too, that's Crypto Eyedropper on Telegram. That's my Telegram channel. Make sure you're part of that too. Okay, once you have these criterias all solved, that you subscribe to my channel and you're part of my Telegram channel and you've liked this video and you've shared it with your friends and family, all you have to do is you drop a comment on the comment section of this video. You can write anything. Okay, you can just write anything, maybe nice video, you can just type anything there, and I will be choosing 2 people at random. Okay, so make sure you watch the next video I'll be making, where I'll be announcing the results of those that won the TRX giveaway. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe and share with your friends and family. See you guys in my next video. Peace.